Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hey. So guys, I'm back again to do another reaction video to the group JO1. I haven't reacted to them in a while, but I know they released these songs within the past 2 weeks on performance video, and this is a performance video to their song Speed of Light. So I'm curious to see what these guys are gonna give me. I really do enjoy this group. I really do. So I'm so happy to be back. They give it to me all the time. Yes. Oh, I love those lights. Yes. Love the red hair. It's speed of light. I gotta speed of light. Okay. Get it. Let's be alive. Speed of light. Let's be alive. Breathe with your fingertips. Spin right than lighting. The next. I love his red hair. We gotta speed up light. Speed up light. We gotta speed up light. Go back a little bit. The light. Yes. The light. Gotta speed up light. We gotta speed up light. Speed of light. Look it up. The speed of light. That was everything. That was everything, JO1. The performance video. That was everything. Speed of Light, that was everything. Performance video, JO1, very good job, gentlemen, very good job. I really do like that song. Speed of Light. I like that. That was so good. I was so good, so good, so good, so good, so good, so good. Oh my god, I can't wait till this coronavirus and stuff is under control, where we can actually go out. And this is also a group besides Monster X who I would like to see perform live, because I know Monster X was supposed to perform this month, but I think it got pushed back. So yay, good job. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to them as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.